Earth, home to nearly 7 billion people. And as the population grows, so does the demand for power. But in today's world, we are faced with an even greater challenge. With concerns increasing over climate change, it is essential that we change the way we think about generating power, not only to meet the increasing demand, but to do it in a way that preserves our environment for future generations. Introducing the Regeneradyne wind turbine system. For centuries, mankind has utilized the power of the wind. But for today's power needs, we need to bring wind power to a whole new level. A modern marvel in engineering, which uses a unique combination of science and technology to form an extremely efficient and powerful generator. By comparison, it is estimated that a single Regeneradyne system can produce the power equivalent of 500 standard wind turbines. By design, the entire site is centralized into one location, and in most configurations, a typical installation would require approximately 100 acres of land. This consolidation not only improves efficiency, but can also save on land resources. A key advantage of the Regeneradyne system is its use of magnetic levitation. This allows the turbine to essentially float on a magnetic cushion of air. And by reducing resistance due to friction, the power output is increased dramatically. The outer sails move to accommodate the wind from any direction. These dynamic sails work to capture a larger portion of the wind and increase the airflow into the turbine. In the event maintenance or repair is required, additional features have been incorporated into the design, such as a helicopter landing platform and an integrated crane. Also, the primary components are located at ground level for improved accessibility. With on-site power storage and conversion, the Regeneradyne system is completely self-sufficient and grid-ready. The economics of wind power have steadily improved over the years, and with the added benefit of being a domestically produced energy source, this new wind power plant competes favorably against other forms of power generation. Global demand for electricity is increasing exponentially, and as we approach the limits of fossil fuel consumption, wind power has regained global interest as a safe, cost-effective, and renewable energy source.
Yes.
Regeneradyne is committed to leading the industry and the world in changing the way we create power going forward.
So what if we got here?
So we have quantum locking. The superconductor is locked in space and it stays wherever I put it. You see, this is quantum trapping.
That's
And
amazing.
As long as it's
So the
cold,
it's superconducting.
and I
It's
can
frozen with
flip
liquid nitrogen.
it upside down,
Right.
and it stays locked.
So the fact that it's superconducting is locking the magnetic field in 3 dimensions, right?
Yeah, exactly.
And that
And you
pivots.
see, because this is symmetric, it can rotate without break the locking. The locking doesn't break
Right.
because it
So
is-
it stays there on the X and Y, but not on, it pivots on the.
yeah, on the axis of the magnets. You see, if I can move it
Yeah.
on the side, it will again pivot around the axis of the magnet because it makes sure that the magnetic field inside of it stays the same.
Right. It's astonishing. Can you put it on the track for us?
Yeah. I just levitate it above the track quite high, and I can just rotate it.
So it's actually floating above the surface.
Yeah, it's not floating, it's locked above the surface.
So you could tilt it at an angle and it would
Yeah,
still
I
fly
can put
around.
it like this, and it will just go around like this. I can just go and put it at different height, and then like this.
And lock it at the height.
Lock
right?
it, yeah, different height, different configuration.
Right.
And I can even lock it at opposite way. If you could just hold for a minute. High. I'm doing the
So
same
it can
thing.
hang
I'm
upside
locking
down.
it upside down, and then it is suspended.
Fantastic. Okay.